The common question that clients and founders ask us today is, can I hire a developer to build this mobile or web application? The question I have for you to answer that, before I respond to that question, is, do you know what does it take to build an app, whether it's a mobile or a web application? I'm here to tell you 3 important considerations that we can take into account today before you consider hiring that developer. That revolves around team, architecture, and process.
So David is talking about team. So we thought it makes sense for some of his team members to talk a little bit more in depth about this. You'll see here the list of the different types of developers that would go into the hiring process in your team that you want for your app. So let's say that you have your iOS developer, you have your Android developer, and you maybe have a part-time project manager as well. So you'll see there's full-time and part-time. You interviewed, you did the whole shebang, you landed the band, the Beatles, you got Ringo, you have Paul McCartney, somehow their magic team coming together. Now, you have to keep the Beatles together.
Now you're going to get John Lennon, Paul McCartney, all these rock stars working together to produce great music. One of the things I learned in the CTO summit that I attended yesterday was 95% of the content, the sessions, were around how to motivate, incentivize developers, how to create metrics to measure and track their performance and productivity, and how to keep them together so that they work towards the success of your project.
So clearly, listening to David, you're hiring more than just one developer here. You're hiring a whole team, which means that you have to be a leader of this project. You have to be a leader of this team. Now we're going to go more in depth in the next video with architecture of your app. So please watch that. And as always, please subscribe to our channel. We hope that you watch some of our other videos. And thanks again for watching.
Blah, 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 blah.
So maybe
Sophia
stand more this way.
sucks in the morning.